Now let us see two operations performed on stack. First one is empty. So it is a function for checking whether the stack is empty or not. We know that a stack is empty if the operating point is below 0 or the index is below 0. Below 0 means it can be any negative value, and we are assuming it as -1. It is not a defined value for an address or for an index. So if the value of top is -1, then we can say that the stack is empty. So this is a Boolean function. The function returns a value Boolean. We will be passing a value of top into the function, and that value is compared with -1. If it equals -1, we can return true. That means is empty condition is true. Otherwise, we can say that the top index will be some other value other than -1, a positive value, which means that there are some values in the stack and the stack is not empty. In that case, this function will be returning a false value. So is empty is a function to check whether a stack is empty or not. If the value of top is -1, the stack is empty. In that case, this function returns true value. Otherwise, there is some elements in the stack, at least there will be one element, so it will be returning a false value. Therefore, this function is returning a Boolean type value. Another function is full, just the opposite of is empty. Here also it will be returning true or false value. Therefore, this function is also a Boolean function. So we are passing two arguments into this function, and there is a bracket here, I have missed out it. So the value of top will be pushed in as an integer value, and value of the size of the stack, which is the size of the array, max, will also be passed as an argument. There are two arguments for this function. One is the value of top and the other is the size of the array or stack. If top matches max -1, that is the number of elements it can hold, -1. Why this -1? Because the index is beginning from 0. So the topmost value will be max -1. For example, if max is of size 10, that means the array representing stack can hold 10 values, and the indices of that values will be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9 only. So 9 means 10 minus 1. 10 happens to be the value of max. So max minus 1 makes 9. So if top equals max minus 1, that means we are having all the spaces in the stack occupied by some elements. That means stack is full. In that case, this function returns true value. Otherwise, there are spaces available in the stack. At least one space is available in the stack. Therefore, stack is not full. In that case, false will be returned. So this is a function returning a Boolean value, either true or false. True is returned when top equals max minus 1. Otherwise, false value is returned. So these are the basic two operations or simple operations performed on a stack before going on to push or pop operations. These will be checked. If stack is full, we cannot add anything. There is no space left in the stack. If stack is empty, we cannot take anything out from it. So for that we will be checking stack empty condition or stack full condition by using these functions.